Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk AutoCAD. Today we will get started by having a 2D layout review and see how we can isolate the layers. So to make things easier, I have attached a supporting file along with this video tutorial so that you can access it by simply dragging and dropping or using the open option from the file menu. So here's a 2D layout. You can see there is a base floor, there are walls and there are windows. These are the basics, or you can say the infrastructure of the house. We have different layers for these different things, so we can turn off or on the layers to have a better visualization too. This one is smaller as this is for an exhaust. So we can see, say this one is 48 inches, or we can say like 4 feet. This one is 30 inches. And the other are all 48 inches or 4 feet. So here we have the base floors, walls and windows. And the 2D layout is already there, so we can start with the 3D of this 2D layout right away without any further delay. This is just to save time, and if you want to know more about the 2D layouts, you can see our course of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. For now, let's close it. We can save this file as lecture number 4 now, and then we will start with this same file in the next session. Let's call it a day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.